press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
I'm Buzz.
Thank you.
So how much excited you are today?
I'm very excited. It's the first time we are doing a live together, and more than anything else, I'm very excited to chat live with all my fans.
So where are you from these days? Like किधर हो इतने दिन से?
मैं तो यहीं पे हूँ, हम सब यहीं पे हैं. आप बस मुझे देखोगे जल्दी टीवी पे. That is what you are trying to ask me. When I do plan to do a show, of course you'll see me on screen. और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मेरे फैंस को इतना कंसर्न है एंड इतना प्यार है कि वो लोग मुझे वापस स्क्रीन पे देखना चाहते हैं. Heartfelt gratitude and lots of love.
Okay, तो कायरा is saying कि we are missing you so much.
Thank you, and that's why I'm so active on social media. It's only for y'all.
Okay, आपका नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट कौन सा है अनमोल?
मेरा नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में जब मुझे क्लियर आइडिया हो जाएगा, मैं भी आपको क्लियर आइडिया दे दूंगी.
So are you okay. Hello Gia from all the fans from your fans club also.
Hi.
So hi.
Hello.
Okay, who inspired you? Akshay want to know.
Actually, there's no one person who inspires me. I
Yeah.
think हम अपने लाइफ में बहुत सारे लोगों को मिलते हैं and always there is something to learn from everybody. So आज मैंने अपने लाइफ में जो भी कुछ अच्छा सीखा है, मैं उस चीज के लिए एक इंसान को मैं क्रेडिट नहीं दूंगी, बहुत सारे लोगों को मैं क्रेडिट देना चाहूंगी. So it's unfair to name one person who's been my inspiration. There have been a lot of men who have been inspiration for me, and there have been a lot of women who have also been very inspirational to me.
ओके, शैलू राठौड़ी सिंह, आपका साथिया टीम से मिलना होता है क्या?
हाँ बिल्कुल, कभी कभार होता है. कभी कभार हम लोग प्लान बनाते हैं, और कभी अगर हमारा प्लान नहीं बन जाता है, हम किसी इवेंट पे यहाँ वहाँ मिल ही जाते हैं.
पवन सिंह, एनी मेमोरी यू वांट टू शेयर फ्रॉम द साथिया?
Yes, of course. The fact that I watched the laptop, which is a scene which is even very popular today and it's trending even today. वो सीन में जब शूट कर रही थी, बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो रहा था मेरे लिए वो सीन शूट करना, बिकॉज आई कुड नॉट स्टॉप लाफिंग माई सेल्फ. बट एज गोपी मेरा जॉब था कि मैं उस चीज को कन्विंसिंगली दिखाऊं, पोर्ट्रे करूं, कि लोग एक्चुअली मुझे आके रियल लाइफ में पूछते हैं, आर यू रियली दैट डम? बट आई टेक दैट एज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट, बिकॉज माई जॉब वॉज टू अपीयर डम, बिकॉज ओनली अ डम गर्ल, एन इनोसेंट गर्ल हु इज नॉट एजुकेटेड विल डू दैट. So I think that is one of the best memories related to Sathya. I can never forget that scene.
Okay, Rishabh is saying we love your show, Jiju and Ginny and Jiju.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay.
Even I love it.
Okay, your one is there from. Are you visiting again?
Bangladesh?
Yeah.
Well, I've not visited Bangladesh till now, but yeah, I would love to visit. I love traveling, so I would love to visit every hook and corner of the whole world.
Okay, any reality show you want to do? Deepak wants to know.
Any reality show that I want to do? I would love to do a dance reality show. I've already done one, which is Jhalak Dikhla Ja. If something related to that comes, or if something related to hosting comes, because I've not done looking after your health, spending time with your family, learning new things in life, traveling. I love traveling. I love reading, and you know, I live my life with a lot of clarity, so I like to learn new things. So I'm always up to learning something new from YouTube or reading few nice interesting books. So there's a lot that I do.
Okay, Varsha is saying, considering you're such a known face from the TV, do you manage and enjoy your me time?
Me time?
Yeah.
I completely enjoy my me time. मेरे कुछ दोस्त हैं, वो लोग बोलते हैं कि जब उन्हें बाहर जाना होता है, like for coffee or for movie, one of their other friend is not available, so they just feel, oh my god, how do I go alone? But I'm a kind of a person, I'm happy to go to a coffee shop alone. I'm happy to go and see movies alone, because I love my own company, and it's very important to love your own company. Once you start loving your own company, I don't think you'll really enjoy being with friends as much as you enjoy being with yourself. Like few months back, I went and saw 4 Oscar films in one day, all alone. I didn't need a friend. Also recently I got to a coffee shop and I had a nice book with me. I did not call any of my friend, and I went there alone. I was sitting in the coffee shop for 2.5 hours with my book and a cup of nice hot chocolate.
Okay, from Indonesia, one fan is saying, Gopi Jia Manik, come again to Indonesia. We are missing you.
Yes, I'm waiting for Indonesia and TV to call me. I'm ready to board the flight now. I'll leave this interview and come.
Okay, actually saying, which is your favorite tourist destination?
I think if I finish going to all tourist destinations, only then I can pick which one is my favorite. But for now, I will say that, if I have good company, when I'm traveling, the place doesn't really matter.
Okay, Jia Manik Queen, your fan page is saying, do you miss Genie?
I miss all the characters that I've played, because we kind of put in so much of ourselves into the character that it becomes a part of you. So there is something that I've learned from Genie. There's something that I've learned from Gopi. So yeah, it's a part of me. So of course I miss it.
Okay, lots of loves and many hugs from Bulgaria. Antonia is saying.
Same to you.
And everyone saying in Indonesian, so we cannot understand. आपका favorite color कौन सा है? Iftar wants to know.
Favorite color is blood red, and for the Indonesian language, which few people are writing, which our host is not able to understand very clearly, I would like to say Aku Cinta Kamu.
Gopi or Genie?
It's like choosing between my two hands. Both are a part of me. I cannot choose one. It's given me a lot, so I cannot choose one or the other.
Okay, Aman wants to know turning point of your life.
Turning point of the life is when I started, when I got my first assignment as an actor, because it was my dream to be an actress. The fact that God fulfilled my wish, that is a dream come true. The show became a super hit, then I did another show, that is a different story. But the fact that I could do what I always wanted to do is a dream come true.
Okay, how does every character of yours affects you? Varsha wants to know.
It affects you majorly, because you put your life into that character. So you forget who you are for the time that you're working, for the 12-14 hours that we shoot. And you are that character. So you become that character completely. So it affects you. If the character is smiling, you're smiling. If the character is crying, you are crying. So it's like one thing. It's not two different things.
Okay, does it happen that you have fixed a timetable for doing some work and then you became addicted to phone or film and the whole timetable gets spoiled?
So, yes, sometimes it happens that, we get lazy and, we like to postpone things. And sometimes, even if I've planned something, I'll just take my phone in my hand and I'll just sit lazily and watch Instagram. But yeah, these things happen. But I have learned that before sleeping, I make a list of the things that I need to do next day, and I make it a point, no matter what, no matter how busy I am, how sick I am, how lazy I am, I have to finish it. I do it.
Okay, what is that big dream which make you work harder and harder?
I think, keeping aside the dream, as an individual, I am very sincere and hardworking when I decide to do something. So whenever I invest in my work or whenever I invest in my friendships or relationships, I like to give it my 100% sincerely with all the hard work. So it's something that comes naturally to me. It's not something that I tell myself I have to do.
Okay, how much you similar to Gopi?
How
Your
similar?
fan club wants to know.
So I think that y'all can tell me, because y'all have seen me as Gopi and y'all have seen me like this chatting with y'all. So आप मुझे बताओ आपको क्या similarity लगती है?
Like, let them answer. We will discuss about that. If we been a part of a remake of Bollywood, what film you will be choosing?
Remake of a Bollywood film?
Yeah.
I think there are a lot of performance-oriented roles that I would like to do. It's not fair to name one thing. So, one, if I have to name, I will name Jab We Met, Kareena Kapoor Geet. मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
Okay, Neha wants to know, how was your first audition?
My first audition was a disaster because I did not take any official acting classes. Whatever acting I learned is on my job, and whatever acting I learned is by giving a lot of auditions, because अभी तो फिर भी थोड़ा अच्छी तरीके से auditions होता है wherein you are going and the room is closed, it's just the cameraman, it's you. But when I started off, They were like 15 people sitting here, 15 people sitting there, and you're here in center and everybody is looking at you, and I would be so nervous. Plus I have to remember the lines, plus I have to think ke, acha, what
Yes.
is the girl, how's the character all about. And I would be shivering from top to bottom. So of course my first audition was a disaster. With every audition I kept getting better, more confident, and slowly I became a good actress. And I'm not stopping my growth there. I want to do better and better. So yeah, that's the aim.
ओके प्रियंका सिंह, अगर आप एक्टर ना होते तो क्या होते?
अगर मैं- अगर मैं एक्टर नहीं होती तो मैं एस्पायरिंग एक्ट्रेस होती.
ओके जिया, व्हाट यू लाइक अबाउट गणेश चतुर्थी सेलिब्रेशन? हाउ यू सेलिब्रेटेड गणेश चतुर्थी? Surbhi wants to know.
Surbhi, how are you? So Ganesh Chaturthi and all festivals in India are extremely close to my heart. हम लोग बहुत ही धूमधाम से मनाते हैं. I'm a very family girl. So like Gopi, like one of the similarities, because that's the question that was asked previously to me. Gopi is also a very, very family girl. Jia is also a very, very family girl. I will always choose my family. I'll always keep my family first. And you know, it's one time of the year when the family gets together, where there is celebration. तो मैं तो बड़ा धूमधाम से मनाती हूँ. And so far I have not yet got Ganpati at my house. Someday I will. But meanwhile I'm going to everybody's houses wherever I'm invited for the darshan, and of course Lal Bagh and Andheri Raja and every place possible.
They wants to know about how was your Rohan and Kanchi Ganpati.
Okay, so it was my first time that I went to Kanchi's place. It was wonderful. It didn't feel like, you know, I'm spending time with them for the first time. Although it was the first time, I felt like home. And I spent a lot of time with them. And हम लोग को शादी में वो बारात निकलती है जैसे डांस करते हैं रास्ते पे, हमने प्रॉपर वो वाला डांस किया है. And yeah, I had a great time. They both are wonderful.
Okay, did you ever felt morally depressed during the time of audition? Simmons wants to know.
So during the time of audition, I didn't feel morally depressed, but this is an industry where you know, you have to continue giving a lot of auditions, and there will be times where you face a lot of disappointments. So slowly you kind of understand the business. So whenever there is clarity, your life becomes easy. So you have to understand that, you know, this is a part and parcel of you know, your work. So it shouldn't bother you. You have to learn and be a little thick-skinned, and take everything with a pinch of salt. So yeah, if you ask me, have I ever been morally depressed? Yes, I have been morally depressed in the beginning of my career when I was auditioning for 2.5 years. फिर भी वो that big ticket, you know, to my TV show was not happening. So yeah, I did feel depressed, but every time I get depressed, I try and don't be in that mood for a long time. That okay, fine, I felt bad, I end up crying, it's okay and done. I don't carry on in the same mood the whole day, because at the end of the day you fall down and you have to get up and help yourself. So I did that, and it doesn't bother me anymore now.
Okay, आपको अभी चूज करना है इंस्टा, एफबी और ट्विटर. व्हाट यू हैव टू चूज अगर तीनों में से?
Instagram.
ओके, व्हाई?
I don't know. I have a soft corner for Instagram. It's difficult for me to explain why, but I just prefer Instagram over Facebook and Twitter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Varsha is saying, what's make ideal day for you?
आइडियल डेट लगता है मेरे जो फैंस है वो मुझे फिक्स करना चाहते हैं किसी लड़की के साथ. हाँ, मुझे सब पता है कौन है वो लड़का. आप प्लीज मुझे डीएम करिए. एंड इफ आई हैव टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चन, आई विल से दैट यू नो, हम लोग हमेशा सोचते हैं कि मेरे आइडियल पार्टनर में ये होना चाहिए या वो होना चाहिए. यू नो, दिस इज व्हाट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग आउट ऑफ हिम. बट मेरा थोड़ा सा अलग है. इंस्टेड ऑफ एक्सपेक्टिंग समथिंग आउट ऑफ माई मैन, आई विल थिंक ऑफ व्हाट ही इज लैकिंग इन एंड हाउ आई कैन कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट टू हिज लाइफ. And when he also reciprocates to me in the same way, I think together we'll make a beautiful relationship.
Okay, any web series you are hooked to? Any web series
No,
you
actually,
want to?
the last few days I've been very, very busy traveling, and I've also been very busy doing a lot of other things. So I have not really got chance to follow up with a continuous web series. No.
Okay, do you believe in luck factor?
Love factor.
Yeah.
Of course, I believe in love. I think that's the most beautiful thing that can happen to somebody.
Okay. Are you following any current show? Shinu wants to know.
No, I'm not following any current show very regularly. Like on and off, sometimes I'm watching few glimpses. That's about it.
Okay, if you have to choose between singing or dancing, which one would you choose?
I will choose dancing.
Wow. We already seen you in dancing
Yes.
show. So any other programs for dance?
You're asking me if I watch any other
Yeah.
programs for dance? No.
Yeah, are you interested to do any other
Yeah,
reality
definitely.
show?
Like I mentioned, in the beginning of our chat, I would love to do a dance reality show which involves dancing and which involves hosting.
Okay, how was your character Gopi benefited and motivated you?
Gopi, how did Gopi? Okay, so from Gopi, I learned that love is unconditional, because people would question that, Gopi's husband does not love her, he treats her badly. But the
Yeah.
point is that love is unconditional. Whether, however, the opposite person treats you, you love somebody, you continue loving that person. And love is about setting the opposite person free. If he comes back to you, he's yours. If he doesn't, he's not yours. So, this is something that I learned from Gopi, that no matter how emotional she was, no matter how much she would cry, she would always be positive at the end of the day, and she would not give up. Because कई बार ऐसा होता है कि कुछ गलत हमारे लाइफ में हो जाता है, हम भगवान से प्रे करना छोड़ देते हैं. We feel कि नहीं, भगवान is not listening to me. But the point is, life is about roses and thorns. So when you are getting a thorn, when you are enjoying that phase, even when the thorn is coming, you should enjoy that phase also. You should live your life with a lot of clarity, dignity, and you should go with the flow.
Your favorite Gujarati movie you watch mostly?
Favorite Gujarati movie? So
Yeah.
although I'm Gujarati, I don't really watch Gujarati films. मैं इतनी भी ज़्यादा वो I'm not that much also into my language. I'm just Gujarati by default. But मेरी जो हरकत है वो गुजराती लड़की वाली नहीं है. वो थोड़ा I would say पंजाबी लड़की वाली है.
Okay, are you interested to do any mythology show?
Why
Yeah.
not? Why not? I'm an actress, so anything, bring it on.
Susan D'Souza saying your favorite moment from Jhalak.
Favorite moment from Jhalak?
Huh.
I think when Madhuri loved my performance, and when the judges gave me 10-10-10, there was one round wherein I had done the aerial act. I was little afraid of heights, so I dropped my fear and I did that act. So that's when I got a complete 30. So I think that was my favorite moment.
Okay, your favorite subject in your school days. How was your school day? They want to know actually.
School day, I was very very shy. I was very very reserved. आज जितना मैं बात कर रही हूँ उसका 1/10 भी मैं बात नहीं करती थी जब मैं स्कूल में थी. And my favorite subject in school was French.
Okay, what's make perfect Sunday for you?
Perfect Sunday for
Yeah.
me. I think just being with myself, sleeping well, looking after my health, reading a nice book, watching a nice movie on Netflix, and maybe to end the day, I would just kind of catch up with a friend for a hot cup of coffee.
Okay, your favorite movie of Kareena Kapoor.
Jab we met.
Yeah, your fan is saying, your fans are waiting for since 4 years. So are you planning to back? So
Yes, so when, like I answered in the beginning of the chat, when I do plan and when I do sign a show, the world around me will know about it. ये थोड़ी ना ऐसी बात है जो छुपेगी. I'm sorry for making you all wait. Heartfelt apology, and I don't need to mention I love you all as much as you do. I'm sorry that you all have to wait for too long, but sometimes you have to, like I explained, you have to kind of go with the flow of life. When something good comes by, I will be back.
Any dialogue from Genie? Akshay is requesting you.
Akshay, okay, Akshay, this is for you. चलो शादी करते हैं.
So we will play a fun game.
Okay.
I have never or never.
Okay.
So आपने कभी किया है या नहीं?
समझ
Let's
गई.
see. Have you ever regifted a gift that was given to you? Oh, have you ever punched someone? किसको? कैसे?
So, so I used to go for my tuition classes, and I had a bicycle. So there was this guy, when I was walking on the road, there was this guy who came and kind of misbehaved. So I was very young then, but मैंने उसको punch कर दिया था.
Have you ever pranked someone who was sleeping?
Who was sleeping? No. I don't like to be disturbed when I'm sleeping, so I also follow that for others. I don't like to disturb people when they are sleeping.
Okay, have you ever walked out of movie because it was bad?
Walked out of a movie?
Yeah, मतलब boring लगा या
No.
interesting.
No. Once I commit, I commit.
Oh, have you ever cried in public? Oh.
Yes, so many times.
Okay, have you ever lied to your parents about where you was going?
I think maybe I have when I was a little young. Oh, I have. Sorry, I have.
I think
Yeah.
everyone said.
Yeah, थोड़ा बहुत तो चलता है
हाँ.
यार, झूठ अभी but अभी बिल्कुल नहीं, of course.
Have you ever fooled around with a family member? Any prank you have done with your family member?
Yeah, I have.
I have never.
Oh, I have. Oh my god, I'm confused. I have.
You want to share the some?
Yeah, so there was one family member. We had planned to just irritate her, and her eyes kind of look little sharp. So me and one of my cousin, we had irritated her, saying that there's something wrong with her eyes, and we bugged her for 1 hour.
Yeah.
And she was lying down, and she was forced to get up and check her face in the mirror, and then she hit both of us.
Have you ever faked illness to stay home during your school, college, or your...
I think maybe in my school or college. Yeah.
Okay.
Must have.
Yeah.
Yeah, must have.
Have you ever broken the traffic signal?
So many times, but don't take inspiration from me. But ये जानबूझ के नहीं किया है मैंने, ये भूल से हुआ है. And वो हवलदार को हमेशा मैंने प्यार से बोला है, काका काय करता जाऊ द्या ना, आम्ही लहान पोरगी जशी आहे तुमची. तो मेरे को कभी फाइन नहीं लिखा है.
Sweet
हमेशा
face
बचाती
बना
हूँ.
के.
हाँ, of course, I use my sweet face.
Have you ever traveled without ticket?
Travel without ticket?
Yeah.
I've never.
Okay. Have us dressed as the opposite sex, like you become a boy or something.
Yes, maybe in my school in fancy dress. Yeah, I have. When I did a dance performance when I think I was 5-6 years old. So मेरी एक फ्रेंड थी, वो लड़की बनी थी. Of course वो लड़की है, मैं लड़का बना. मैं लड़का बना था. बनी थी.
लड़का बनी थी.
Yes.
Okay, sang in the shower.
So many times. So many times.
Lock my key in my car.
Thankfully.
Never. घर का भूल गए होंगे किधर?
हाँ. I have sometimes.
Home का. Okay.
Yeah.
Google my own name to see what's come up.
I have.
Current update. Driven drunk.
Never. I don't drink.
Okay, had a crush on a teacher.
Had a crush on my teacher. Yes, I had once on one of my dance teacher. In fact, I had a friend of mine. She's still my friend. So
Okay.
we together used to go to this dance classes when we were like, this is about 10 years back. Yeah. So जो हमारा dance teacher था, he was cute.
Wow.
So we had a crush on him. So we both had a crush on him.
Okay, being on a blind date.
Blind date, never.
Yeah.
I would not want to waste my time. I invest my time very, very wisely because we don't know if you are going to wake up alive the next day. Yeah? Don't waste your time. Kya blind dates?
Okay, your fan is saying, do you ever fall in a love?
Have I ever fallen in love? So,
Yeah.
for now, I'm completely in love with myself. When I do fall in love with a man, the world around me will know about it.
Okay, back to the questions. I think there are many. आप Big Boss में आना चाहोगी?
I think right now is not the right time for me to do Big Boss.
Okay, you're a fan of the Salman Khan, so you're watching Big Boss 12.
Sometimes I do, only for Salman.
How much do you love your fans?
How
Gia,
much do
yeah,
I-
Faisal is asking.
I really love my fans. They have been with me through my thick and thin, and they have proved that, they haven't left me. I know a few fans who have kind of been there on and off, and I also know a few fans who have just kind of, who've kind of stuck around by me throughout, and lot of love and lot of respect for them and heartfelt gratitude. I feel very blessed. I must have done something good in life that my fans are still standing by me thick.
Okay, जीनी आपका जूजू कहाँ है?
अरे जीनी का जूजू, अरे मैं खुद भी वो कभी कभी सोचती हूँ कि वो कहाँ है, पर मुझे लगता है टाइम आएगा तो खुद ही मेरे सामने आ जाएगा और बोलेगा जीनी चलो शादी करते हैं.
Would you like to do a theater?
Would I like to do theatre?
Yeah.
Why not? Not now, but at the moment I'm not keen on doing theatre. But yeah, maybe in future I might.
Okay. Everyone saying Genie and Juju.
Genie and Juju, yeah.
Any dialogue from Gopi you loved?
Any dialogue from Gopi? Okay. Okay. NG, आपकी green tea.
Okay. How was your Jammu trip with your family? Any memory you want to share? Jia Manik Win, your fan club is asking.
Okay, it was outstanding. I'm a spiritual person. I love to pray. I love to learn good things from few people online, and I actually went to Jammu to visit Vaishnav Devi. And it was a completely blissful experience. I have never experienced something so divine in my life before, and I would recommend everybody to go to Vaishnav Devi. So to underline the fact that I did not go Jammu and Kashmir घूमने के लिए, I actually went there to Devi because when Devi calls you, you have to go. So it was amazing. And coming back to your question, I enjoyed it. It's one of the most beautiful places I have visited. Very very beautiful, and my family was with me, so couldn't be better.
आपकी favorite dish क्या है? Is it Gujarati dish?
My favorite cuisine I would say is Indian, and I love spicy food. तो किसी में भी आप थोड़ा सा spice डाल दो, I'm happy to eat it.
Okay, अगर आपको कोई movie offer होगा तो you will do it. Fezzi wants to know.
Yeah, why not? If I like the script and if I like my role in the film, why not?
Okay, if you could eliminate anything from your schedule, what you would be?
Sorry, I didn't follow.
And if you want to eliminate something from
Eliminate.
Eliminate something. So what you would be?
From what?
From your daily life or from your schedule?
Yeah,
anything.
I think जो eliminate करना है वो तो मैं कर चुकी हूँ. Why will I keep it with me? I mean, what I think I should eliminate is anyways eliminated.
Okay. Okay. Do you want to visit Georgia? Your Georgia fans are asking again and
Yes.
again. Mari and Antonia is there. So
yeah, definitely. Not only Georgia, I would want to visit every corner of the whole world. I love traveling. Yes.
Okay. Already सब लोग आपको पूछ रहे आप कब आ रहे हो, तो she has already said that she will be back soon. So आप फिर से देख लेना live.
फिर से देख लेना.
One thing you love from Genie and you want to be that it should be in your real life. Your fans club is saying.
Okay, so Genie is a very 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 cheerful person. So that is what I would always want to be in my life. You should never change yourself, and you should just enjoy your life because you never know when it's your last day. So might as well live it to the fullest. Go with the flow, enjoy every moment, and always be cheerful and smiling.
Okay, what is your biggest dream and fear?
What is my biggest dream? So I have a lot of dreams, and I believe in action rather than talking about it. So y'all will get to know in the due course. And as far as my fear is concerned, I had a lot of fears before, but I have learned over the time to drop all my fears, because the fear closes you, and in life you should be open to receive things in abundance from the universe. So you should never close yourself. Because of fear you close yourself. किस बात का fear? जो होने वाला है वो तो वैसे भी होगा, तो डर को फेंक दो साइड में.
Okay, Mahin is saying, what is a beauty secret?
What is my beauty
secret?
I think firstly, God has been very grateful in making me the way He has made me, and secondly, I think you need to be a very very good human, because when you're a good human, it reflects on your face, it reflects in your eyes, and also my fans, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. आपको लगता है मैं खूबसूरत हूँ तो मैं हूँ खूबसूरत.
Cake, chocolate or ice cream? What you will choose?
Between cake and chocolate.
Okay. Most horrible moment you faced while traveling?
While traveling?
Yeah.
Thankfully कोई horrible moment नहीं हुआ है अब तक, और मैं नहीं चाहती हूँ कि आगे भी हो. Thank God. Oh yeah, actually once I was a part of BCL and हम लोग वहाँ से निकल रहे थे और रात को 12 बजे हम निकल रहे थे and we were heading for the celebration of winning because our Delhi Dragons team was winning और रास्ते के बीच में मेरी कार जो है पंचर हो गई थी रात को 12 बजे and I was like really in a panic mode because who would come and help me at 12 a.m. To kind of fix up my puncture. So thankfully one of the members of the team kind of came and helped me fix the puncture. So yeah, that one, if I can answer that for this question.
If you approach for खतरों के खिलाड़ी next season, you do or not?
Next season को अभी time है, you know, and till the time we approach the next seasons, I'm sure I will, there will be much more self growth and there will be much more things that I will be learning from people and from life. So I think I will be taking the decision then because अभी जो मैं सोच रही हूँ वो उस time पे apply नहीं होगा.
Yeah. So finally, it's time to say bye because everyone wants to know when you're coming back, and she already answered. So we will soon see the Jia on TV and back.
Yes.
So any final message you want to give for your fans?
Okay, so I had few DMs that I received just before I started the live chat, and few of my fans kind of requested me to sing a song.
Yeah.
So since I have been asked few questions on my life and on love, so I'll mix up a song.
They want to sing the song for Gopi of Sath Nibhana Sathiya wala.
Acha, okay. Okay, so you want me to sing the Aarti?
Yeah.
Okay. हे गोपाल कृष्ण करूँ आरती तेरी, हे प्रियापति मैं करूँ आरती तेरी, तुझ पे उतारा बरी बरी जाऊँ सांझ सवेरे, तेरे गुण गाऊँ मैं एक गोपी, तुम हो कन्हैया, तुम हो भगवान मेरे. Thank you.
They are saying you should be a singer.
I should be a singer?
Yeah.
Okay. So, coming back to the question, there were few fans who wanted me to sing a song, and I'll just complete what I was saying. So, because a lot of questions have been asked on love and life, so I have a song in mind for mixing the two of them together, and since you all like me singing, so I'll sing one more song for you. Okay. Okay. Please mind us if there's any mistake, okay? हर घड़ी बदल रही है धूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो, चाहे जो तुम्हें पूरे दिल से मिलता है वो मुश्किल से, ऐसा जो कोई कहीं है, बस वो ही सब से हंसी है, उस हाथ को तुम थाम लो, वो मेहरबान कल हो न हो. Thank you.
Thank you. And they have love from the Indonesia, Bulgaria and Georgia. So
lots of love, Akuchinta Kamu, and lots of love to all my fans. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for chatting with me. I completely enjoyed answering your questions. If you've missed few questions, my apologies. I'll try and do more live so that you all can cover up those questions in my personal life. Lots of love, be good and stay blessed.
They are saying you should upload your dance video also, your fans. So
okay, dance video. Okay, ठीक है. I have few nice throwback jhalak dance videos which we had shot during the rehearsals. So I'll upload that for you all.
Okay. Thank you, Jia, for coming here. Thank you.
Thank you.